FM 89.9 KMOJ. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, live on location at Brookdale Health, located at 5740 Brooklyn Boulevard, on the corner of Brooklyn Boulevard and Bass Lake Road, 763-561-4045. That's 763-561-4045. If you've been in that automobile accident and you want to get your body better faster, it is definitely Brookdale Health. Physical therapy and chiropractic, those two hand in hand, works with getting that body better faster. And in my studio, who do we have here?
You have Dr. Trent, I'm one of the chiropractors.
Okay, so FRISCH.
Frisch is the last name, but a lot of times I like to go by the first name, Trent. That way I don't get called the fresh doctor.
Okay, yes, sir. Well, Dr. Trent.
Yep.
When it comes to the area that you work here in Brookdale Health, give us a little bit of insight of what takes place and how does it work?
So here at Brookdale Health, we treat a wide range of injuries. We specialize in auto, but we treat basically every injury out there. But when it comes to auto injuries, we utilize chiropractic and our physical therapy departments in tandem to get those body injuries healed up quicker and get you back to living life.
So now when it comes to that, are you on the physical therapy side or are you on the chiropractic?
I'm on the chiropractic side.
So now when it comes to the chiropractic side, explain to us a little bit about those different, there's a little machine that when you tap it and it goes,
yep,
and it sounds like a little, like if you're breaking into a bank and those tumblers are clicking.
Yep.
What's that machine itself?
Yep, so that machine, a lot of times people will call it an activator. It's an instrument assisted adjustment. Basically, they sell a lot of different varieties. You'll go to different chiropractors and see different instruments and things like that. But it's just a different technique that we utilize to restore mobility and position back to joints. A lot of the times with those acute patients, we're not going to set you up and try to, crack, pop, twist your back and neck like some people see in their YouTube channels or TikTok. They're too sensitive. So we use an instrument to be very precise and less aggressive to those tissues to restore and maintain mobility as those overlying muscles and structures are working on healing.
So then as a chiropractor and somebody says, my body's stiff, I'm a little aching, I can raise my left arm only this far, my right arm only that far, but then you do that adjustment and do that lining up. What exactly is going on with the body? Because I've been on the table, and when I say on the table, not the dinner table, but then in the process of being there and getting it done, you feel rejuvenated. You feel that extra burst of energy from somewhere.
Yep. So the big thing is during that treatment, we're restoring mobility. We're loosening up that scar tissue that's trying to form. We're getting blood flowing to those tighter areas, because I always tell patients, picture a sponge. If you're squeezing a sponge, is it going to absorb any fluid? Very little. Same thing when your joints and muscles are tight and stiff, the blood doesn't effectively get in and out of those tissues to help heal them effectively. So when we restore mobility with that adjustment, it improves blood flow, it improves daily function. I like to use the phrase, life is motion. A dead body doesn't move, so we got to get you moving.
So now once you get that body moving, and that flexibility falls right back into play, and then all of a sudden they come to you and they say, Doc, I feel wonderful. I feel way much better than I did before I came, but then because of the last month and a half I've been coming, I feel much stronger internally as well. How does that feel for you for being a part of that success?
Well, that's why I do what I do. I mean, I like to see patients get back to loving life, spending time with family, being able to provide for their family and get back to work. I mean, that's why I do what I do. It's not to, I enjoy popping joints. It's not like that. I enjoy seeing my patients get back to loving life and doing what they want to do.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you'd like to get your body better faster, it is definitely Brookdale Health. Physical therapy and chiropractic, those two hand in hand, works with getting that body better faster. But the only way it's going to happen is you got to make that appointment and you got to show up. So 5740 Brooklyn Boulevard, on the corner of Brooklyn Boulevard and Bass Lake Road, 763-561-4045. It's FM 89.9 KMOJ.